how to update your iPhone and iPad's software to the latest version. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can update your iPhone and iPad software to the latest version. But before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. So, if you want to update your iPhone to the latest software, you'll need to head over to your settings. My bad here. So after you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find the general setting. Tap on general. After you tap on general, there you'll find the software update option. Tap on software update. Now, your device will start scanning for any available software, and if they find any softwares available for update, they'll simply show it here. There you'll find the update now option to update it to the latest software. So the software update will begin, and after the update finishes, you will be getting more options, more features and more security options as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.